Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all in online classes of Divisional Public School and Inter College. It is math lecture for class 7 and I am Maqbool Ahmad, subject specialist maths. Contents of our lessons are exercise 1.3, question number 4, 5 and 6. What is meant by universal set? A set which contains all the possible elements of the sets under the consideration is called universal set. For example, the universal set of the counting numbers means a set that contains all possible numbers that we can use for counting. To represent such a set, we use the symbol capital U and read it as universal set, that is, the universal set of counting number is equal to U, contain the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Complement of a set. We have already learned about complement of a set. What is complement of a set? Consider a set B whose universal set is U, then the difference U minus B or U minus B is called the complement of set B, which is denoted by B dash or B complement and read as B complement. So we can define the complement of set B. Complement is a set which contains all those elements of universal set which are not the element of the set B, that is, B complement is equal to U minus B. For example, if U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and set B contain elements 1, 3, 7, 9, then we have to find out B complement. For solution, first we write formula of B complement, which is equal to U minus B. Here U for universal set and B for any set which contains the elements of odd numbers. And we put up the values of universal set and element of set B in above formula of B complement. We have put up the values of universal set and set B. Now we have to subtract value of universal set U and elements of set B. If we subtract odd numbers from natural numbers, then we have the resultant set. It will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. बच्चों ये हम जानते हैं कि अगर हम नेचुरल नंबर से ऑड नंबर को माइनस कर दें तो हमारे पास जो है इवन नंबर्स जो हैं वो आंसर्स में आएंगे या मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 वाले नंबर्स होंगे. डिफरेंस ऑफ टू सेट्स, इफ A and B are any two sets, then A difference B is the set of all those elements of set A which are not the element of set B. It is written as A difference B or A difference B. A difference B को रिप्रेजेंट करने के बच्चों ये हमारे पास टू मेथड्स हैं. A difference B भी लिख सकते हैं और या इस तरह से भी हम इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. Similarly, B difference A is the set of all those elements of set B which are not the element of set A. It is denoted by B difference A or B difference A. We have to find its solution. For A difference B, we write the values of first set A, then sign of minus, then value of set B. Now we take the difference of set A and write those elements of set A which are not the elements of set B, which are 1, 3, 5, so on up to 19. And B difference A. In B difference A, first we write the values of set B, which are 2, 4, 6, 8 and up to 20. Then sign of negative and values of A set, which are 1, 2, 3 up to 20. And B difference A, there are no element of set B which are not in set A. So its difference, it will be an empty set. We can see that A difference B not equal to B difference A. Exercise 1.3, question number 4. If universal set U contain the elements 1, 2, 3 up to 20 and set A contain the elements 1, 3, 5 up to 19 and set B contain the element 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 20, then prove that B complement is equal to set A. Now we find its proof. First we write in proof, we write the formula of B complement which is equal to U minus B. तो यूनिवर्सल सेट से जब हम सेट B की वैल्यूज को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमारे पास वैल्यूज आ जाएगी 1, 3, 5 so on up to 19. We can see the value of B complement which are 1, 3, 5 and so on up to 19 is equal to set A is equal to the value of set A which are given. So hence proved B complement is equal to set A. A complement is equal to set B. तो बच्चों को जैसा कि हमने प्रीवियस पार्ट में किया है तो इसको भी हम उसी तरह से कंप्लीमेंट कैलकुलेट करेंगे सेट A का और इसके जो सोल्यूशन होगा उसको हम कंपेयर करेंगे कि वो सेट B के इक्वल है. तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले हम इसके प्रूफ में A कंप्लीमेंट का फार्मूला लिखेंगे. A कंप्लीमेंट इज इक्वल टू U माइनस A. तो यूनिवर्सल सेट U और सेट A की वैल्यू रिप्लेस करेंगे तो हमारे पास वैल्यूज आ गई. ये फर्स्ट सेट A की है U की वैल्यू, देन माइनस का साइन और सेट A की वैल्यूज, और इसमें हम यूनिवर्सल सेट U की वो वाली वैल्यूज लिखेंगे जो सेट A में नहीं होगी. तो हम देख सकते हैं तो यूनिवर्सल सेट U की वैल्यूज जो सेट A में नहीं है, these are 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 20 and we can see these values are equal to the value of set B which are given. हम यही रिजल्ट जो है वो प्रूव करना चाह रहे थे. तो hence prove that A complement is equal to set B. if u is equal to 1 2 3 up to 20 and set A contain the elements 1 3 5 up to 19 and set B contain the elements 2 4 6 8 up to 20, then we have to prove that A difference B is equal to set A. For its proof, first we take A difference B, then we put up the values in this formula A difference B. In this form, first we write the value of set A, then value of set B, and we take the difference 1 3 5 up to 19 because सेट ए के अंदर वो तमाम वैल्यूज जो सेट बी में नहीं है उसको हमने देखा वो 1 3 5 अप टू 19 ही है, कोई भी ऐसा एलिमेंट नहीं है सेट ए का जो सेट बी में हो। तो यही हमारा आंसर है, ए डिफरेंस बी इज इक्वल टू सेट ए। ये रिजल्टेंट सेट ए की वैल्यू भी सेम है जो गिवन है हमें, और उसी का रिजल्ट जो है वो हमने प्रूव कर दिया, ए डिफरेंस बी इज इक्वल टू सेट ए, हेंस प्रूव दैट ए डिफरेंस बी इज इक्वल टू सेट ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, इफ यू इज इक्वल टू सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स एंड डब्ल्यू इज इक्वल टू सेट ऑफ ऑल नंबर्स, देन वी फाइंड द कंप्लीमेंट ऑफ सेट डब्ल्यू। डब्ल्यू मीन सेट ऑफ होल नंबर्स। नाउ वी फाइंड इट्स सॉल्यूशन, and first we write the values of universal set U, which are 0, -1, -2, -3, so on in left side, in the direction of left side, and 1 2 3 4 and so on up to right sides, and W, which is equal to set of whole number, contain the elements 0 1 2 3 and so on, and we have to calculate complement of set of whole numbers. For its solution, first we write formula of W complement, which is equal to U minus W, U for universal set and W for set of whole numbers. We replace the value of set of integers and set of whole numbers, and we find out the values of W complement, which are -1, -2, -3 and so on. जब हम यूनिवर्सल सेट में से पॉजिटिव वैल्यू को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमारे पास नेगेटिव वैल्यू जो कि लेफ्ट साइड पर है वही हमारा जो है वो आंसर होगा। Home assignment exercise 1.3, question number 5, part number 4 and question number 6. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.